Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 6 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 9, Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Let's learn children. When we compare two or more nouns using adjectives, we use the comparative and superlative forms of those adjectives. बच्चों जब हम एडजेक्टिव को यूज़ करके दो या दो से ज़्यादा नाउन्स को कंपेयर करते हैं तो हम उसकी कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री को यूज़ करते हैं. द बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव विच सिंपली डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन विदाउट एनी कंपैरिजन इज कॉल्ड द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. ओके, सो एक जो बेसिक फॉर्म होती है एडजेक्टिव की जो हम सिंपली नाउन के साथ यूज़ करते हैं किसी कंपैरिजन के बिना, उसे हम कहते हैं पॉजिटिव डिग्री. सो पॉजिटिव डिग्री नो कंपैरिजन्स. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स. जब दो चीज़ों का या दो इंसानों का कंपैरिजन होता है तो वो होती है कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. एंड कंपैरिजन बिटवीन मोर देन टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स. पॉजिटिव डिग्री देखते हैं. लुक एट दीज सेंटेंसेस. अ लैम्ब इज अ जेंटल एनिमल. द रैबिट रन्स फास्ट. इन दीज टू सेंटेंसेस देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन. कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं हो रहा. द वर्ड जेंटल डिस्क्राइब्स लैम्ब, ओके, एंड द वर्ड फास्ट डिस्क्राइब्स रैबिट. सो द वर्ड्स जेंटल एंड फास्ट आर इन द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव is sometimes used to compare two or more people or things that share the same level or degree of a quality. So जो positive degree होती है adjective की वो कभी कभी यूज़ की जाती है कंपेयर करने के लिए दो या दो से अधिक लोगों को या फिर चीज़ों को जो कि एक लेवल और एक डिग्री की क्वालिटी को शेयर करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, अमित इज एज टॉल एज हिज फादर. Ruby is as intelligent as her mother. Now comparative degree. The sentences at the top can be written by making a comparison. जैसे कि Ruby is taller than her mother. Ruby's sister is shorter than her. In these sentences there is a comparison. Sentence 1 में the height of Ruby and her mother is being compared, and in sentence 2 the height of Ruby and her sister is being compared. ठीक है. Now the words of comparison are taller in the first sentence and shorter in the second sentence. These words are in the comparative degree. ये जो शब्द हैं ये comparative degree में यूज़ किए गए हैं. अब हम आते हैं superlative degree पर. Again the same sentences can be written as Ruby is the tallest girl in the class. Veenu is the shortest girl in the class. अब ये है दो से ज़्यादा का कंपैरिजन. पूरी क्लास से कंपैरिजन किया हुआ है तो इसका मतलब कि जिसको भी हम टॉलेस्ट या शॉर्टेस्ट कह रहे हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा है या सबसे ज़्यादा छोटा है. ओके, सो इन सेंटेंस 1 अ कंपैरिजन इज बीइंग मेड अमंग मैनी गर्ल्स विद द वर्ड tallest, and in sentence 2 a comparison is being made among many girls with the word shortest. So the words tallest and shortest are in the superlative degree. Look at these example. Tom is a smart boy, no comparison, positive degree. Philip is smarter than Tom, दो में comparison हुआ, comparative degree. And Stephen is the smartest of the three. So सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. याद रखें बच्चों, द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव इज यूज्ड व्हेन नो कंपैरिजन इज बीइंग मेड. पॉजिटिव डिग्री कब यूज होती है? जब कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं हो रहा होता. इट सिंपल डिस्क्राइब्स अ क्वालिटी. ये सिंपली उस चीज़ की, उस इंसान की क्वालिटी को बताती है. द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड टू कंपेयर टू पीपल, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स. And the superlative degree is used to compare more than two people, animals or things, showing the highest or lowest degree of a quality. How to form comparative and superlative degrees? चलिए सीखते हैं. The comparative degree of most adjectives is formed by adding ER. to the positive degree, and the superlative degree is formed by adding est to the positive degree. जैसे कि hard, harder, hardest, er लगा के comparative degree बनाई and est लगा के superlative degree बनाई. Poor, poorer, poorest, light, lighter, lightest, cool, cooler, coolest. Rest of the part, children, you will read yourself. Now we add r and st to the positive adjective that end with e. जो भी पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव ई से एंड होते हैं उनमें हम आर और एस टी ऐड करते हैं, लाइक सेफ, सेफर, सेफेस्ट, प्योर, प्योरर, प्योरेस्ट, लेट, लेटर, लेटेस्ट, वाइज, वाइजर, wisest. We add er and est to the positive adjective ending with a consonant plus y. Before adding er and est, we change y to I. हम y को I में change कर देते हैं. For example, busy, busier, busiest. So हमने y को I में change कर दिया. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Funny, funnier, funniest. However, if the positive adjective ends with a vowel plus y, we add er and est and do not change y to I. हम इसको यहाँ पर y को नहीं change करते. Gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, greyest. Okay? चलिए. In case of adjectives that have two or more syllables, we add more to the positive to form the comparative and most to the positive to form the superlative. जहाँ पर adjective में दो या दो से ज़्यादा syllables दिए हों वहाँ पर हम comparative में more और superlative में most add करते हैं. जैसे laborious, more laborious, most laborious, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, terrible, more terrible, most terrible, important, more important, most important, dutiful, more dutiful, most dutiful, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Irregular adjectives have their different comparative and superlative degrees. Okay? जैसे कि good या फिर well, better, best, little, less, least, many, much के साथ more, most, bad या ill हो तो worse, worst. Now common errors. The use of double comparatives or superlatives is incorrect. जैसे कि रोहित is more taller than मोहित, ये गलत है. The use of two comparative words more and taller in this sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is रोहित is taller than मोहित. Some more incorrect expressions होते हैं इस तरह से more better, more harder, more greater, more highest, more thinnest, more happiest. Use of much and many. Look at these phrases: much tension, much pleasure, many cities, many customers. The nouns tension and pleasure are uncountable noun. So the adjective much is used. जो uncountable है उनके साथ much use होता है with uncountable nouns. The nouns customers and cities are countable noun. So the adjective many is used with the countable nouns. Now use of little, a little, few and a few. Take a look at these sentences. We had little hope of winning match. In this sentence, little hope means hardly any hope. They had a little hope of winning the match. In this sentence, a little hope means some hope. Okay? Now, look at these examples. We had few memories of his childhood. In this sentence, few memories means hardly any memories. He has a few memories of his childhood that he cherishes. In this sentence, a few memories means some good memories. Okay? Now, use of elder, older, eldest and oldest. The words elder and eldest are used only for two people, specifically to refer to the members of the same family. They are not used for objects or unrelated people. Example, her elder brother taught her how to ride a bicycle. Out of the three brothers, Arjun is the eldest. Remember, the word older is used instead of elder if we use then in a sentence. अगर हम then का use करते हैं तब हम elder की जगह older का use करते हैं, जैसे कि नीना is older than सोनिया. The words older and oldest are used to show comparison. ये comparison को show करते हैं and can refer to both people and things, unlike elder and eldest, which are used only for family members. Look at these examples. Aman is the oldest player in our football club. This is the oldest building on the campus. My laptop is older than yours, and Neha is older than her classmates. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. So, positive degrees आपको दी हुई हैं, जैसे कि far, farther, farthest, rough, rougher, roughest, cold, colder, coldest, popular, more popular, most popular, narrow, narrower, narrowest, famous, more famous, most famous. Rest part you will do yourself. Look at the example and write similar sentences with these words. Okay? So, आपको similar sentence लिखने हैं, जैसे कि example है apples healthy plums. So, apples are healthier than plums. इसी तरह mango juice tasty apple juice. Mango juice is tastier than apple juice. Karan intelligent Kunal. Karan is more intelligent than Kunal. Spring good winters. Spring is better than winters. Diamond expensive silver. Diamond is more expensive than silver. The Ganga clean the Yamuna. The Ganga is cleaner than Yamuna. Okay? So बच्चों आपको अब ये sentences खुद से लिखने हैं. Now look at the examples and write similar sentences using these words. जैसे कि example है मोहिनी short girl in the class. मोहिनी is the shortest girl in the class. इसी तरह से हमें sentence बनाने हैं, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आप इसे खुद बनाइए. Mount Everest high peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Forts good hospital in India. Fort is the best hospital in India. Mumbai busy city in India. Mumbai is the busiest city in India. Mango sweet fruit in summer. Mango is the sweetest fruit in summer. Passenger slow train in India. Passenger is the slowest train in India. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the brackets. अब हमें bracket से correct word choose करने हैं. I will mark here only. You will fill it. Not dash boys went to the fair. Not many boys. क्योंकि boys countable हैं, right? The train was dash hours late. The train was a few hours late. Give dash rice. Give कितने rice? Give a little rice. There is very dash time to make preparations for the annual function. There is very less time to make preparations for the annual function. Okay, rest part children you will do yourself. Now complete the paragraph with elder, older, eldest or oldest. Last week I travelled to Lucknow with my elder sister. We visited one of the oldest museum in the city. Since she is older than me, she handled all the planning and bookings. Our eldest cousin wanted to join us, but he was busy with his office work. Okay? Complete the paragraph using little, a little, few or a few. Ria had a little time before her piano class, so she decided to revise her notes. She had only a few sheets left in her notebook, though there were a few snacks on the table. She ate a few biscuits to keep herself energetic. She knew there was a little chance of rain, so she carried an umbrella just in case. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.